Once you've gained access to your Total Expert account, go ahead and sign in. And a few things that I'd recommend you do when you get into the platform, finally, is really just reviewing the different functionality that you have available. I would also go up to your profile up here, and I would just ensure that all your information here is correct. You can go into your account settings right here and just make sure that the information is good to go. Also, enabling your notification settings. So if you want to receive text message lead notifications, if you want to receive email, new task notifications, you can go ahead and do that here. There's some different notification settings that you can enable. I would also make sure that, when you go in, your MLS agent ID number is in there if this isn't something that you did when you first set up your account. So ensuring that your agent ID is in there, your MLS association is selected, any state licenses if you want to put those in there as well. I would go ahead and highly recommend doing that. So again, just making sure that your profile is good to go and you have everything set up, and always remember to press save changes. And then a few things just to notice. So number one, when you click into co-marketing partners, you're going to see this is where you can see any of your partners. So again, my partner just set me up, so I should have auto-populated one partner at least here. And you'll see we're active in our partnership. And also I have given my partner the ability to update my profile. If you ever want to turn that off, you can do that here by just switching this toggle. And then also just moving down here, a few of the key features that you will want to know about are lead capture apps. This is one feature that is highly valued by agents, being able to create a lead form and co-market with your co-marketing partner. So you can come in here and say you have an open house going on. You can go ahead and create a lead form that will populate, and you can leverage at your open houses. And then what will happen is anytime a person fills out this form, you're automatically going to get notified of this. So you can go ahead and create one for an open house that you have happening. And then when someone comes to your open house, they fill this out, and automatically when you come in here the next day, you're going to see them populate on your dashboard in new contacts. And then you can follow up with those folks. So really cool tool to see lead capture apps. And secondly, single property websites. So under web marketing, when you click on single property websites, you can go to the plus create button here, and you can start to create a property website for a listing that you have. So you can go ahead and search by the MLS. You can obviously pick yourself, and your listings are going to populate. And then you can actually start to create the different listings that you have. Again, this is a demo account, so I don't have any listings, but you will once you have that hooked up. So again, you're going to see these listings, and then you can actually start to customize these web pages for each of your properties, and you can post them to social media and different things like that. So you have the ability to create single property websites. And then also what you'll notice is you have a print marketing library. So the company that your co-marketing partner is with, they will also have a library of pre-built content in here. Again, this is a demo account, so you're going to see different things in here, but what you'll have the ability to do is come in and test and create some flyers that your team has made available for you, and then share them out. So you have that ability to do that. And then also you can keep up to date with things that you need to do by creating any tasks if you want to do that. You'll also be able to see, your activity, things that are happening in your account through the activity stream. And again, manage your leads and contacts through the leads and contacts page here. So again, you'll have the ability to see all your contacts in here, and you can use it as a CRM as well. So you'll have all your contacts in here, and then you can keep track and you can group your contacts as you wish. So that is a high level demo of what your platform is going to look like. And again, really awesome stuff. I just highly recommend you go in and you just start to play around. If you have any questions, reach out to your co-marketing partner, but that is high level Total Expert for agents.